These are the others. The Courtyard by Marriott and SpringHill Suites at the... These are machine attractions at the JW Marriott and Courtyard by Marriott along SpringHill Suites, Indianapolis, Indiana. Oh wow. P3. Oh, these are parking elevators for the Courtyard SpringHill Suites. These are EcoDisc as well. EcoSpace, I mean. These feel more like MonoSpace. Here at 3.
Parking level 3.
Go to 2.
Second floor.
Here at 2, we'll get our cab view now. Pretty nice elevator for a parking garage. Look, the ceiling, who you see high. They're your fixtures, innovation, prestige, hands-free ADA code plan phone. You know what, we'll send this one down and we'll get the other one to go to the Courtyard. Go to the Courtyard after we send this one down. There goes and that's it.